How to fix iPhone and iPad personal hotspot not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix iPhone and iPad personal hotspot not working. So let's get started. First of all, you can simply restart your hotspot, and if that doesn't fix your issue, then try switching to a good cellular network. And if that also doesn't fix your issue, you can simply head over to General, and then you can scroll down, click on Shutdown, and simply restart your phone, and that will fix your issue. But if that still doesn't, you can simply go back to General again, and then you could simply scroll down again, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, click on Reset, and then click on Reset Network Settings. Type in your phone's passcode, and then that will basically reset your phone's network settings, and it will fix your personal hotspot issue. If that also doesn't solve your problem, then you gotta make sure that you're not connected to a VPN. So if you are connected to a VPN, simply turn off the VPN. And if that also doesn't solve your problem, then make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version of iOS. To check that, you gotta go to General, go to About, and over here you'll be able to see the iOS version. If there isn't any update, you can simply go back, click on Software Update, and you can simply update your software. And doing so will fix your issue. So that is basically how you can fix iPhone and iPad personal hotspot not working. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.